వెల్కమ్ టు లెర్న్ కంప్యూటర్ విత్ సురేష్ బాబు. ఈ కంప్యూటర్ క్లాస్లో భాగంగా మనం కంప్యూటర్కి సంబంధించిన ఫండమెంటల్స్, ఎంఎస్ ఆఫీస్కి సంబంధించిన బేసిక్స్ అనేవి మీకు థియరీ క్లాస్ రూపంలో అందజేయబడతాయి. వీటిని మీరు గమనించవచ్చు, వీటిని మీరు నేర్చుకొని వాటిని పరిశీలించి అవగాహన చేసుకొని మీరు నిత్య జీవితంలో వీటిని ఉపయోగించుకోవచ్చు. ఇవన్నీ మీకు వీడియోల రూపంలో అందజేయబడతాయి. మరి మీకు ముందుగానే ఈ క్లాసుల గురించి తెలిసి ఉంటే మీరు రీకాల్ చేసుకునే విధంగా ఉంటాయి. అదే కొత్తగా ఇప్పుడే నేర్చుకున్న వారికి ఇప్పుడే కొత్తగా నేర్చుకునే విధంగా ఈ క్లాసులు అనిపిస్తాయి. అలాంటి వారు చక్కగా ఒక నోట్బుక్ తీసుకొని దానికి సంబంధించిన విషయాలు మొత్తం మీరు రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇవి ఎప్పటికీ గుర్తుంటాయి, రెఫరెన్స్గా కూడా ఉపయోగపడతాయి. ఇవి అందరికీ ఉపయోగపడతాయి. ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ సెషన్ we discussed about the hardware basics, right? In this session we learn the Windows basics. Okay, do you feel like learning computer? Don't you know how to start the computer? Don't you know how to shut down the computer? For that purpose we will do the experiment. Let us do the experiment. Experiment 1. Windows basics. Here what is the experiment? Now we are going to learn the Windows basics. In the Windows basics we select the topic, start and set down the computer correctly. If you want to do the experiment, we have to know the process of experiment. We must have the aim. What is our aim? Our aim is to start and shut down the computer. That is our aim. The persons who want to learn computer, we need personal computer with Windows operating system. That's why what is the equipment required here? A personal computer with Windows operating system. Next, introduction. Right. What is the introduction part? To start a computer system, when you open the computer, first you will find loading and configuration actions. The figure or initial screen will appear. We see like that. When you open the computer, we may see the initial screen. The initial screen is called desktop. Desktop contains the taskbar. Desktop contains the various icons, files or shortcuts. We may see the various shortcuts on desktop. Okay. That desktop normally contains my computer, my documents, Internet Explorer, network neighborhood, recycle bin. Clear? When you open the computer system, there is a initial screen that is called Windows screen. You may call Windows screen. Windows screen contains taskbar, start button. Desktop contains the various icons like my computer, my documents, my network, my network places, network neighborhood, Internet Explorer, recycle bin. Okay. When you open the computer, we may get the initial screen. Initial screen is called desktop. Desktop contains the my computer, my documents, network neighborhood, Internet Explorer, recycle bin. Here my computer contains various drives like C drive, D drive, E drive, floppy drive, like that. Clear? My document contains various documents that contained in the system. Internet Explorer is used as a browser for viewing internet. Here, network neighborhood. Network neighborhood shows various computers connected with the system. Finally, the recycle bin is just like a waste box. All deleted files are stored. You may say like that. Application of the figure or initial screen is that you are in Windows. You are to be ready to operate the Windows with the help of the mouse. Let us start. How to operate the Windows here. When you open the computer, as we know, we will automatically find Windows screen. The first option in the Windows screen is Start button, which is at the bottom of the screen. It is the button to start Windows. When you click on Start button, we will get main menu. We will see the main menu. After clicking on Start button, the main menu that lists all your installed programs. Today our topic is start and shut down computer correctly. For that purpose, we will do the experiment. Experiment 1. Windows Basics. Topic. What is the topic? Start and shut down the computer. Shut down the computer correctly. Here, what is the experiment? Now we are going to learn the Windows Basics. In the Windows Basics, we select the topic start and shut down the computer correctly. If you want to do the experiment, we have to know the process of experiment. We need some things. What are those? We must have the aim. That's why here, what is our aim? Our aim is to start and shut down the computer. That is our aim. I would like to write aim of the experiment. Aim of the experiment is to start and shut down a computer system. Clear. Now, if we want to do this process, we need personal computer with Windows operating system. That's why what is the equipment required here? A personal computer with Windows operating system. That's why I would like to write that equipment required. Equipment required. What is that? A personal computer. A personal computer with Windows operating system. Windows operating system. Introduction. Right. What is the introduction part? What is that? To start a computer system. To start a computer system. Right. If you want to start the computer system, you click on start button. Click on start button at the bottom left side of the screen. Start button contains number of submenus and pop-up menus. Clear? Start button contains all programs menu. In the all programs menus, we have all installed software programs. If you click on start button, main menu is displayed. If you click on main menu, submenus are present. From the submenu, you may select any software. Which software is required for you? You may see these things. Let us start. To shut down a computer system. How to start a computer system? How to shut down a computer system? These are the questions. Let us learn how to shut down a computer system. Right. Click on start button, then select turn off your computer or shut down. The computer will be shut down. Like this manner, you may learn how to start a computer system and how to shut down a computer system. There is a shortcut to shut down computer system. What is that? Alt plus F4. If you use the combination of these keys, computer will be shut down. You may get out from the present actions, present program. It is more useful to shut down computer system. Friends, ఈ వీడియో గనక మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.